Let us learn French verbs prendre and comprendre. Prendre, which means to take. Je prends, I take. Tu prends, you take. Informal. Il prend, he takes. Elle prend, she takes. Nous prenons, we take. Vous prenez, you take formal. Ils prenons, they take masculine. Elles prennent, they take feminine. Here are some examples. Je prends le bus, I take the bus. Il prend son petit déjeuner, he has or takes his breakfast. Nous prenons des photos, we take photos. Tu prends un café, are you having or taking a coffee? Elle prend une douche, she takes a shower. Vous prenez le train, are you taking the train? Ils prennent leur temps, they take their time. Je prends un livre à la bibliothèque, I'm taking or borrowing a book from the library. Comprendre, which means to understand. Je comprends, I understand. Tu comprends, you understand. Informal. Il comprend, he understands. Elle comprend, she understands. Nous comprenons, we understand. Vous comprenez, you understand. Formal. Ils comprennent, they understand. Masculine. Elles comprennent, they understand. Feminine. Let's look at some examples. Je comprends, I understand. Tu comprends la question? Do you understand the question? Elle ne comprend pas l'anglais. She doesn't understand English. Nous comprenons le problème, we understand the problem. Ils comprennent les instructions, they understand the instructions. Je ne comprends pas. Pouvez-vous répéter? I don't understand, can you repeat? Comprenez-vous le français? Do you understand French? Mon ami comprend un peu d'espagnol. My friend understands a little Spanish.